I just hope I don't have a catastrophic blowout now that I'm almost at the top. Oh. Back on the Sea to Sky Highway en route to the Deeks Lake Trail. Got some perfectly clear skies, so it should be a great hike. Steep and grueling. This is the start of the Howe Sound Crest Trail. It's going to be steep and grueling. And we're going to do the Deeks Lake section of the trail. Trail definitely starts off super steep. It keeps going up and up. This part of the trail is just an old logging road. This trail pretty much climbs just straight up. No relief. So the first junction. So we've come almost 3K from the parking lot. It's another 4K to Deeks Lake and 26K to the Cypress ski area. So this trail continues on for quite a while and you can do the whole way and have somebody pick you up at Cypress. Finally hit a flat stretch. Easy strolling. Just a walk in the park. I'm gonna use the trail at my own risk. I'm gonna risk it all. It's just me. Super risque. That little flat section was just a teaser. Now the real super steep and grueling part starts for the last 3 odd K. Got a rushing river. Could be swept away at any moment if this thing flash floods on me. I actually think I'm gonna drink from it. Fresh snow melt and glacier water is the best. Whew. Holy moly. Yeah. Still 800 meters left and it's super steep. I forgot that these shoes were meant for the garbage. They're trashed. I didn't realize until I stepped in a puddle. I just hope I don't have a catastrophic blowout now that I'm almost at the top. I don't want to have to go back down this trail with one shoe. And this is the only lookout on the whole trail until you get to the top. Definitely the hardest part of the trail so far. Scrambly. Just a little babbling brook. Well, what I like to say when it's this tough, easy peasy lemon squeezy. According to Maps.me, I've got 210 meters to go and 70 meters up. I've got to go a third up of the distance. That is steep. Oh, when you start to get the views like that, it makes it all worth it. And now I've hit the snow line. Well, the snowy trail and my busted shoe are not gonna go well together. Case in point, I fell down deep. Ugh. Whew. It's flattening out. That means we should be ready for the big reveal. There it is, Deeks Lake. Perfect day for a swim. Still got some ice on it on the back side over there. Now to begin the long, slow descent. It's not easy when it's that steep coming up or going down. Oh. Certain grades, it's just easier to jog down. And we're back. So that probably took about 2 to 3 hours to get up. So round trip, you could do it in 5 to 6 without lollygagging and taking breaks. But otherwise, pretty nice besides some of the steep and grueling parts. But when you get up there, it's well worth the view. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Well, like what I like